Chris Morrison, Morrison team with RETSY. We're at our latest listing here at 6443 East Malcomb Drive, right in the heart of Paradise Valley. Can't wait for you to see the views on this one. Neutral tones are featured throughout the home with fresh paint and carpet. The large windows let tons of natural light and capture the perfect views. The split floor plan features high ceilings, 4 bedrooms with private ensuite bathrooms, 2 large offices, a flex space, large living room and dining, and chef's kitchen. The spacious guest house features a full kitchen with a bedroom and laundry room. The grounds are made for entertaining with a pool and spa and putting green, basketball court, 2 built-in barbecues, large grassy area, and tons of patio space. Sitting on over an acre of land, this private estate is located in the center of Paradise Valley with stunning Camelback Mountain views. The gated entry and circular drive make quite the impression. Thanks for taking a look at our latest listing here on Malcomb. If you have any questions about the property or would like to schedule a private viewing, send us a direct message. And as always, you can find all the details on morrisonteam.com.